Good evening. Next week is Thanksgiving. In honor of Thanksgiving, I want to share with you a prayer that you can say in the Navajo language at a dinner. As Native Americans, we are a people of prayer. It is also November, Native American Heritage Month, so it is fitting that I show you how to say a prayer in the Navajo language. The common names for Thanksgiving in Navajo are Ahínihiiní'eezh, which means people are eating turkey, and Keshmishyaje, which means Little Christmas. In this video, I use the name Ahéhee Hwiindzin for Thanksgiving. Ahéhee Hwiindzin means people are thankful, and I think it more closely defines the name of this event, Thanksgiving. Ahéhee Hwiindzin. I wrote this prayer with my father, Pastor Everett Teller, and we formatted it in a way where you can use this prayer for events other than Thanksgiving. At the end of this video, I'm going to share with you optional phrases that you can use to use this prayer for a Christmas dinner, a birthday party, a graduation dinner, or to honor that family member who came home from the military. Those are the most common reasons that Navajos have dinners. Feel free to use this prayer next week for your Thanksgiving dinner, and happy Thanksgiving from my family to yours. Bóhólníihii, Ahéhee Ahééh Ahéhee Ahéhee Hwiindzin, dabi'niidá dabi'niidá nihá, bik'íjídliih, ádayiilaaígíí, ałdó, bik'íjídliih, Nihoosání, nihitah yá'ádahoot'éeh, Ahidaniidlí nihił dahózhó, áhólyá, nizhónígo nináhidiikah, ałdó. So here's the video one more time, slower, and with the words broken down so that you know what you're praying about. Bóhólníihii, Ahéhee Ahéénihiiní'eezh, Ahéhee Ahéhee Hwiindzin, dabi'niidá, dabi'niidá, nihá, bik'íjídliih, ádayiilaaígíí, ałdó, bik'íjídliih, Nihoosání, nihitah yá'ádahoot'éeh, Ahidaniidlí nihił dahózhó, Nihaa, áhólyá, nizhónígo nináhidiikah, dahózhó. If you want to use this prayer for other events other than Thanksgiving, change the phrase from Ahéhee Ahéhee Hwiindzin, dabi'niidá, to Ahéhee Keshmish dabi'niidá for Christmas. Ahéhee Willie binahahagi dabi'niidá. So binahá means somebody's birthday, his or her birthday. And Willie is basically a throwback to those Willie stories that taught the Navajo language back in the 80s. Willie is aunt in Navajo, and the character Willie was just a play on those words. So I'm just using Willie as an example, but feel free to insert whoever you're celebrating in the name or in the place of Willie. Or you could change the phrasing to Ahéhee Willie ałdó iltcha dabi'niidá. Ałdó iltcha is one way you can say that somebody completed their training, they completed their education, but it is also the way that you say that somebody graduated. Ahéhee Willie salaude nadzao dabi'niidá. So salaude means from the military. Nadza means he or she returned. So when you're using this phrase, you're celebrating somebody who is returning from their military service. So Feel free to use this prayer for your Thanksgiving dinner. And Ahéhee Hwiindzin benachin nihóosání. Happy Thanksgiving. See you guys in the next video.
There is none